Hello, today we are comparing the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Pixel 9. Let's explore the key differences between these two devices. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a larger 6 and 8 inch display compared to the Pixel 9's 6 and 1 inch screen. Both use LTPO OLED panels with from 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, but the Pro XL offers high peak brightness at 3000 nits versus 2700 nits on the Pixel 9. Both phones are powered by the Tensor G4 chip, but the Pro XL has 16 of RAM, enhancing multitasking and AI capabilities compared to 12 GB in Pixel 9. What about camera system? So the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixels main camera, 48 megapixel telephoto and 48 megapixels ultra-wide lenses. The Pixel 9 has a dual camera system with 50 megapixels main and 48 megapixels ultra-wide. The Pro XL also supports 8K video recording, while the Pixel 9 is limited to 4K. What about selfie camera? So both models feature a 42 megapixels front camera, but the Pro XL offers a wider field of view, making it ideal for group selfies. What about battery and charging? So the Pro XL has a larger battery. Of course, it has 5060 milliamperes battery, while Pixel 9 has smaller capacity. Pixel 9 has just only 4700. But of course, here we have a bigger display. It's very important to understand, because if you have bigger display, it's draining battery faster. So only tests can tell more about batteries. Only testing in real life. So what can I tell more? So maybe about design. So if you're starting about design, so of course XL is larger and slightly heavier due to its bigger display and additional cameras hardware. It features a premium glass and aluminum build similar to the Pixel 9, but with a more pronounced curvature on the edges, as you can see, providing a sleek and modern look. Here we have mate glass, like in iPhones Pro, and cleansed glass, like in not Pro iPhones in 14 line, for example. Displays. I tell everything you need to know about displays maybe, but what about performance and AI capabilities? So both devices are equipped with the latest Tensor G4 chip, so it enhances AI-driven features such as voice recognition built in the device, real-time translation, transcription, and photo processing. If you don't know how to use it, just watch our videos in Pixel 9 playlist on our channel. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will have more AI performance just because of RAM. Camera system, of course, better here for portraits, because you have telephoto lens here. When you wanna make something portrait mode, of course, portrait mode will be better in Pixel 9 Pro XL just because of telephoto lens. And selfie camera. Both models have 42 megapixels front-facing camera, but Pro XL offers a wider field. So of course for photo and video it will be better again, even in selfies. So in batteries, of course, it's very difficult question because of different sizes of screen panels. So conclusion. So Pixel 9 Pro XL is perfect to users who prioritize a larger display, advanced camera capabilities, and extended battery life, maybe. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 offers a more compact form factor with strong performance and features, making it great choice for those who prefer a more manageable size without compromising on quality. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you to decide which Pixel is right for you, and bye. See you again.